Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadia Maor, and in this video we will be unboxing this Apple Watch Series 6. So also I'm gonna be comparing this Apple Watch with the Apple Watch from Series 3. So let's begin. Like we picked up this one in the Apple Store, and it was like didn't have this nice cover. I don't know why. So I just need to open here. Oh my goodness. And I wasn't picking this watch, so I actually don't know what's inside. I like the sound. Do you like, guys? Okay, so okay, open. So this is how it looks inside. That's the like a cover. So it, oh my gosh, I dropped the band. So it shows what types of watches you can get. There's lots of varieties. So let me pull this back. Okay, this is the band, and this is the watch itself. The color is gold aluminum, designed in California. Okay, let's open it. When you open Apple products, it's always so exciting. Okay, so there's this thing. Okay, I think I did it correctly. My face probably looks so funny. Okay, one more. Okay, so let's open this baby. It's not that easy. I think it's fall, but it's fall on my bed, so it's not that bad. Oh my goodness. This is like a nice cover for it. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty already. So let me pull it. Here is the watch itself, and here's the back of it. So okay, let's compare it with the Series 3 one. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how they look together. It's kind of difficult. Okay, so that's how they look together. So I will tell you that the biggest difference that I see is the Series 6. It's thinner, so I just don't want to drop the Series 6, so I'm just takes a little bit longer. So okay, so you can see that Series 3 is a little bit thicker, and this is thinner Series 6. Okay, and the corners a little bit different. So Series 3 have like more less round corners, and this one have like more like nicer corners. Let me show you like up front. Okay, so time to see what else is there. So there is like a manual how to set the watch up. There is a charger. It looks like this. Okay, so charger, and there's a band. I will try to attach it. It's gonna be first time me attaching the band, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be that fast, so you will need to bear with me. Okay. Oh my goodness, here's a thing. So you just pull it off, and it should come out. Okay, now here. So this is also some paper. I'm not gonna read it now. And let me see. Here is the band. It's in color blue. So okay, interesting. How? So there is a two. It's either this is for the wrist, small and medium, and this is medium and large. So since it's not gonna be my watch, I'm gonna try to attach medium to large. Wish me good luck. Okay, so let me see. I pull this one, and now I need to put it, I believe, on top like this, while this thing facing me. Yeah. I hope I'm doing it correctly. Okay, one more time. No, I'm actually doing it incorrect. Okay, this way. So there is a metal thing that should, yeah. Actually, no. Again, not correct. Guys, this is becoming disaster, this video. But I still gonna post it. Okay, so one more time. So this on top, this metal thing looking at me, and now I'm sliding in. Whew. It's getting tight. Okay, so that's the top one. And the smaller one goes on the bottom. So let me find the smaller one. I mean, the bigger one goes on the bottom. Oh, here it is. So the smaller one goes. So basically this is facing me and this is facing me, and then I'm putting them together and I'm sliding. Wow, this was easy for the second. I guess I'm getting better. So I'm removing this thing. And now watch is ready. First, I'm gonna put it on my wrist. Oh, takes. You know, guys, I think I still did it wrong. So one more time. Actually, maybe I wasn't wrong. Yeah, I think I wasn't wrong. Just not used to put it on my wrist. So here, well, at least you're gonna receive real video, not those videos when they do it so easy and then you're gonna try it home and at home you're gonna think, oh, it was so easy in the video, but in reality it was hard. Okay, so now it's asked me to pick the language. So I don't know, I'm gonna pick English, and it asked me to pick the country. I'm gonna pick United States, and then open the Apple Watch app on your phone and start pairing. So this is what it says. I'm going to the phone and searching for the Apple Watch application, and start pairing. And here I'm clicking pair new watch. And then I'm pointing so I'm skipping the update. Now your watch is Apple Watch is paired. Restore from backups and set up a new Apple Watch. I'm gonna click restore from the backup and gonna try to restore from the previous one, and I click continue. Okay, so I wasn't able to pair it. I don't know if maybe something wrong with the watch, or maybe I'm just doing something wrong. So I hope the information that you just saw before was useful, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and my struggle, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My name is Nadia. Wish you a good day. Bye bye, guys.